So the good afternoon again, student. In the last lecture, we studied about the unit number 1, tutorial number 1.4, algebraic identities of the polynomial. This is our topic. We can find the sum, we have a sum identities. Using it, we can expand some question. These are such a question we discussed before this lecture. The cube identities and moral. Then we discuss about the factor. How could we factor the polynomial whose power is 2? Then we use the reverse psychology, reverse formula to find the given question to answer to question. These are the some more identities. It's you must remember. The whole thing we discussed. And the last we evaluate the some numbers by the algebraic identities. So here we discuss the such examples. And I think this is to given to you. I'm starting here the 7th question. Which identity used to find it? So we know that this is the square identity 103 whole square. So here using the identities of the square. So the student, please write down the question. I'm starting. Today's tutorial 1.3, continue 1.4. If you have any query, please share with me. No, Divya. It's not possible to 103 whole square.
Body, 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 body.
Divya, it's a square identity. You can't use the such a equation which you type in the message. So just focus on the question. First of all, I'm starting, then you can do. So we have, you all know such identities. I'm starting question number 7. Now this you know a plus b whole square. It gives to you it's a square plus 2ab plus b square. This identity I used to why because we have a whole square. So you must using the identity which have a square. Yes, this is right. You can convert it. This is 103 into 103 also. But in this question, A and B both are same. So I have no mind, but this is a pure suitable identity for such a question. So let's start. This is your 103 whole square. I'm taking the part of 103 is written like a 100 plus 3 whole square. Compare this equation, your A is 100 and B is 3. So by the identities, first term square plus 2 into first term into second term and the second term square. A is 100 and B is 3. 100 square is double 4 times 0. If I multiply 2 into 100 into 3, it's 600 plus 9. 3 square is 9. Take the sum of every terms, then it gives to you 10609. This is your answer of 103 whole cube. Are you clear? Same thing happens in the next question. You can take the 90 plus 7 whole square. Otherwise, you can use such an identity like a minus identities. A minus B whole square. It's gives you a square minus 2ab plus b square. You are independent to choose any identities. If you want the 97 part like 90 plus 7 and gone, yeah, 97 you can write 100 minus 3. I use this formula because the 100 square is easy to find. You are free to choose any identities, but the identity is a true. If it is true, then you can applicable.
Madam,
So yes,
answer is 985.
what?
Answer is 985.
985. 900. Okay, it's a 10 more. Okay, let's just check 985. I don't know, but let's check. So 97 whole square, it gives to you. I'm using the minus identities, then what happened? 97 is written like 100 minus 3 whole square. Your A is 3 and sorry, A is 100 and B is 3. Apply the minus identity. The minus identity say take the first term square minus, yes,
Answer, sorry, answer is 2190 now.
yes, okay, no problem. Then no problem, don't worry. So using the તમે પોઝિટિવ કે નેગેટિવ કોઈ પણ આઈડેન્ટિટીઝ યુઝ કરી શકો કોઈ પણ પાર્ટીશન પાડી શકીને બટ ખાસ એટલું યાદ રાખવાનું કે તમે જે આઈડેન્ટિટીઝ લો એ સાચી હોવી જોઈએ એને સુટેબલ હોવી જોઈએ 97 ના પાર્ટ તમે 90 પ્લસ 7 હોલ સ્ક્વેર કરીને પણ કરી શકો છો 100 માઇનસ 3 હોલ સ્ક્વેર કરીને પણ કરી શકો છો બંનેનો આન્સર સેમ આવશે. So the 100 square is 1000. 4 times 0, it's a minus 600 plus 9. If you move this subtraction, taking the addition and subtraction between this term, then you got if I am moving the 600 this is plus 9, it will be this 9409. So it is a square of 97. Hope you all clear. So you use any two identities of the square, positive or negative, and it is choice of yours. You can use the by positive, then okay. If negative, then okay. So the student positive and negative for identity you was to use.
મેડમ આ નથી હોતો મેડમ અમારે
नहीं આવતો, why नहीं આવતો?
એમ
મેડમ
આ જ આન્સર આવે છે.
મારે જ નથી આવતો મેડમ આન્સર પોઝિટિવ થી કર્યું મેડમ
પોઝિટિવ થી કર્યું તો પોઝિટિવ કયા બે નંબર્સ લીધા?
9 + 7
90 plus 7.
હા
Okay.
90 + 7 હા
ઓકે નો ઓકે ઓકે ચલો આપણે કરી લઈએ. ઓકે નો
બરોબર મેડમ.
પ્રોબ્લેમ. લો યસ યસ ડો વરી, આપણી પાસે સ્લાઇડ છે જ. સો ઇફ યુ યુઝ ધ positive identity 97 whole square by the positive term, that's mean it's a 90 plus 7 whole square. This is your positive identity a plus b whole square. It gives to you a square to ab plus b square. So now we apply here, then what happened? Look here, it's a 19 square, 2 into 19 into 7 and plus 7 square. So 19 square, it's a 100, 8100. 9 into 2, it's 18, 18 into 7. Let's, I'm taking, wait a minute. 19 into 2 into 7, it gives to you 1260. Yeah, this is 1260 plus 7 square, it's a 49. 7 into 7, it gives to you 49. Take the sum of all. So it gives to you same answer 9409. So if you use any identities, the answer will be same. There is no change in the answer. Okay, you just take one time. If your addition is something is wrong, then otherwise any identity gives you true answer. So this is a minus identity and this is your plus identity. You can use anything to find the solution. So here some example for you. Use the identity of the square and tell me the answer. 7, 8, 9, 10. You can use the positive or negative. It's your choice. But I want the answer. So tell me the first 103. I think it is done. The 1006. The first 2, 7, 8 done. You can do 9 and 10. 106 whole square and 52 whole square. And use any identities like a positive or negative.
મેડમ
Yes.
1236 આવે
1 minute. You can say in the digit. Digit में बोलो तो થોડુંક લખવામાં આસાન રહે. Numbers में बोल. In the 106 whole square, that's mean
113 11
11
236
236. Okay, 11236. Yes, right. Divya also said 11236. Right. Done. The answer of the ninth is 11236. Use anything for the positive or the negative. Yes, tell me. Answer of the 10th is
2704.
2704.
04.
Okay, done. Look the screen. So the ninth answer is 11236 and the 10th answer is 2704. Hope you all the student may be clear. So you can
Yes, ma'am.
try this example at your home. Let's we move on the another example. So look at the next question on your screen. This is the 103 whole cube. So you must use the cube identity. So look, what is the cube identity? It is a plus b whole cube. It gives to you a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then a plus b. Okay. So here you can take the partition 103 whole cube. It's written like a 10 plus 3 whole cube. Here you use the cube identity. So use the formula of the cube. 100 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 into 100 into 3, then 100 plus 3. Expand it. 100 cube. This is the double zero. It's right at thrice. Then 9 cube, sorry, 3 cube. It's a 3 multiplied by 3 times. It is 27. And this is 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 100. It's a 900. Then this is 103. So first of all, 900 is multiplied by 103. Then take their sum. It's a 92700. So if I'm taking the addition of the all term, I have it gives to me 1092727. So this is your final answer. Look the screen. 1092727. This is your final answer.
Madam, 14 નો કઈક
अलग
madam,
આવે છે. Yes, yes.
14
Tell
નો
me.
લખો તા.
हाँ, चलो लिखाओ.
899.
एक मिनट. This is the cube, huh? 97 whole cube.
हाँ मैम हाँ
Okay, okay.
899
Answer is 899
450
450.
0.
No, it's not a right answer. Your answer is
मैम
97.
एक एडिशन रह गई बाकी माराથી
हाँ तो बस एक કરી દે હાલ.
हाँ
912673 આવે છે.
हाँ, repeat it.
912673 આવે છે 912673.
9267. Yes, this is the right answer. 912673. You take a time. ભાઈ આપણે ઉતાવળ નહીં જરા પર. આ 2 માર્ક્સનો ક્વેશ્ચન 3 માર્ક્સનો પૂછે થોડીક ઉતાવળ કરી નાખશો તો પછી આન્સર નહીં આવે. સો શાંતિથી ગણો. આપણે કોઈ ઉતાવળ નથી. We have a time. We have more time to solve it. So the 14 number you can do it using the negative or positive identities, and the identities choose yourself. So these are the some questions for your reference. So solve it. Tell me the answer of the 15. 15, this is a 100. Yes.
લખો 15 નો આન્સર
તું ભાઈ ગણે છો કે ડાયરેક્ટ કેલ્ક્યુલેટર થી કહી દે છો?
મેડમ બતાવું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન માં ગણવું ધીમે ધીમે
કેલ્શિયમ માં ગણે છો ડાયરેક્ટ ક્રોસ મલ્ટીપ્લાય ક્રોસ નથી કરી દેતો હતો ને 1013 ટાઈમ
ના
તો ભલે.
એમ તો મને
So the
ગણિત આવડે
answer. Okay, you like math. Good. So tell me the
10
answer of the.
30
Yes.
again 30
Okay.
1
1. Okay. You are the very sharp, like a computer. હજી તો બધા એ સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યો હોય તો આન્સર આપી દે છો. Very good. The chemical student is the advanced form. So write tell me the 16th answer. Take a time. We have no hurry. Anyone can share your answer with me. 52 whole cube.
મેડમ લખો તો 15 નો આન્સર સોરી 16 નો આન્સર
Okay. What?
140
Now 140
608
608. Done. Right. Absolutely right. Good. This is your cube identity. The positive identity is like a way. This is the formula of the positive cube. A cube, B cube, 3AB, A plus B. And the negative identities, you can use anything.
મેડમ
Yes.
17 નો લખો તા
Chalo, 70.
117649
117649.
yes ma'am
Okay, 49 cube done. Okay, very good. Now the last answer of the 18 number.
મેડમ લખો ઓલો એને
चलो कौन
74088.
74088. Absolutely
Yes, ma'am.
right. Absolutely right. Very good, Lu, Divya, the both, and the you also. So this is your final answer of tutorial 1.4. Your tutorial number 1.4, the algebraic identities, it's over. So we are moving on the next tutorial. Please write down the answer in your book. Prepare your tutorial yourself. So the next tutorial is not a 1.5. I'm taking the 1.7 because the 1.6 is over, and the 1.5 in the last of this unit because we need the graph paper. So we avoid this tutorial 1.5 and 1.6. It's a method of substitution. It's over. Then I'm taking the new tutorial. It's the 1.7. So hope you don't mind. 1.5 જે tutorial છે એ આપણે લાસ્ટમાં લેશું because it's depend on the graph. તો એને લાસ્ટમાં આપણે કમ્પ્લીટ કરશું. 1.6 is over. આપણે જ્યારે ત્રણેય બ્રાન્ચને સાથે ભણાયેલી હતી ત્યારે 1.6 substitution method is over. Today I'm starting your new tutorial 1.7. Its name is elimination method. So we today start some example by the elimination method. Hope you ready. So what is the elimination method and what is the rules of the elimination method? Let's see check. So any student can share their idea by the elimination method. કોઈને પણ elimination methods ની methods ખબર છે? What we can do in the elimination method? Any procedure of the elimination?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please share.
Ma'am,
मैं गया था जरी कमरा भाई दो.
should I say it or good afternoon, madam?
Yes, good afternoon.
So, elimination method. You first arrange the numbers. After arranging them, you times the beginning numbers. For example, you say 2x plus 3x is equal to 6. And the down one is 5x plus 4x is equal to 7. So you take 5 times, then you change the opposite side. Like you put 5 up and 2 down, and then you times each one. After time, you find x. After finding x, the answer you get, you find y.
Okay, definitely right. Elimination method said you eliminate the one variable. Okay, and how could we eliminate if they're both coefficient are same and the just opposite sign? We can eliminate. Elimination means we just subtract the same variable. So these are the procedure. Elimination method is just a combination of the both equation. If you make the coefficient are same and their opposite sign, you can subtract the one from the another. If the both variable are same and there is a no opposite sign, you can multiply the anything by minus, then you can eliminate any two variables. But you must remember the both variable have a same coefficient. So first of all, you make the same coefficient, and if their sign is not changed, you can change it. Then you can eliminate. So you got x and y, two variable. So these are the procedure which is on screen. This is the procedure. Elimination method is a combination of the two equation. If you want to eliminate, you can make the coefficient same, but they both have a different sign. One is positive, second is negative. Then you can subtract both. If the sign are not same, then you can do the make same sign by the multiply the any negative numbers. If then the sign is different, both coefficient are same, then sign is different. You can eliminate that. Elimination, that's mean you can adding this both equation and you get the one variable. After getting the one variable, you can put in the another equation. You should get the both variable. So these are the simple procedure to find the x, y, and so on. So this is your first example. Uh, we can find by the elimination method. So the student, let's start. Hope you enjoyed. So the first question, please student write the question for the all equation are same. Solve the following equation by the elimination method, and your question is on your screen. So how could we start? Look here. Blue, it's a very good answer. Very impressive. Please keep it. Your first equation is 2x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. You must arrange like a way. Always you can write your coefficient behind the equal to. So your 4 become negative. And your second equation, there is no change because you have a constant behind the equal to. Say equation number 1 and say it's 2. I want to make a same coefficient of the given variable. So you have always two choices. You can make the same coefficient of the x variable, or you can make a same variable of y variable. એ બે જ્યારે ઇક્વેશન આપેલા હોય ત્યારે આપણે x અને y બંને જે વેરિયેબલ્સ છે એના કોફિશિયન્ટ સેમ કરવાના. હવે એ ચોઈસ તમારા ઉપર છે કે તમારે x ના કોફિશિયન્ટ સેમ બનાવવા કે y ના કોફિશિયન્ટ સેમ બનાવવા. તમને જે એનાથી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાથી ઈઝી રહે ઇક્વેશન એનાથી આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાનું. So look the question, and I think it's easy to multiply the equation number 1 by 3. Then I'm taking with 2. So you can do any procedure, please write. So my first thing, I can multiply by 3 of the equation number 1. Then I'm taking the addition 1 of in 1, 2. So what procedure I can do? Equation 1, it's multiplied by 3. Then take the equation number 2. This is the procedure. What you can do? You can multiply the equation 1 by 3, then there is no change in 2. Now look the equation number 1 and 2. It's a new form. Here the 3x and 3y both cancelled. Because the one is positive, one is negative. So it's a cancel. Look, 6x and 5y. It gives to you. I take the addition left hand side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side. So 6x plus 4, 5, it's give to 11x. And look here, the 12 minus 1, it gives to minus 11. I want the value of x. So x is equal to minus 11 upon 11 and your x is 1. Not a
Madam,
1.
minus 1 नहीं आवे.
It's a minus 1. It's a minus 1. So x is minus 1.
And madam, y છે ને -6 આવે.
Okay, y is minus 6. Done. તો તમારે લોકોને પ્રોસિજરની અંદર શું કરવાનું છે? પહેલા જોવાનું x કે y બંનેમાંથી કોઈક એકના વેરિયેબલને સેમ બનાવી દેવાનું. એ તમારી ચોઈસ છે કોને બનાવવાનું. If you want to make a x is an equal variable, so you can multiply the equation 1 by 2, equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2. Then take the subtraction between x and y. Equation 1 and equation 2, so you got the y, then so on. I am finding the value of x. You can put the value of x in any two equation, 1 or 2. This is your choice. I am putting the x is equal to minus 1 in the equation number 1. So from 1, my 1 is 2x plus y is equal to minus 4. I am putting here x is equal to minus 1. So I got the value of y. So 2 as it is, x is minus 1. Put the x is minus 1. Y as it is, this is minus 4. So the 2 multiplied by minus 1, it's a minus 2. Y and minus 4. If I move this minus 2 here, the sign of the minus 2, it's changed. So y is equal to minus 4 as it is. 2 is negative. Then 2, it's moving from here. It's used to positive 2. So y is equal to minus 4 plus 2 by 2. Hence, you have x and y. Your x is minus 1 and your y it's minus 2. That's all. So hope you cleared the what we can do. I make the both the variable are same, but same with the opposite sign. Then and then you can apply the elimination method. If the both have a same sign, so you don't eliminate anything from one to another. So first I make the same variable, then the both variable have a different sign. After it, you get the one variable. It's not, we are not sure it's x or y. This all things depend on the equation. After getting the x or y, you can put the equation 1 or 2, which you like easy. So I think the 1 is easy to solve me. I can put the x is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. This is my equation number. I can put the x is equal to minus 1 and I got the value of y is equal to minus 2. So my answer is x is equal to minus 1 and the y is equal to minus 2. And I think you have understood. You understood all the student. And have any doubt, please submit me. Done? Okay. So I'm moving here from the second number question. This is your first question. We solve it. Make the same variable with opposite sign. Subtract and get the x and y. The value of x and y we can put in the equation 1 or 2. Get another unknown variable. So these are the procedure to find the x and y by the elimination method. So number 2, second question is on screen. Look here. The second number question is 2x plus 3y plus is equal to 11, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 14. So let's start. The answer is, my first equation is 2x, 3y is equal to 11. Say equation number 1. My second equation is 2x plus 4y is equal to 14. It's the equation number 2. Now I want to the what I can do. Anyone can suggest me? Anyone have idea? Which is
Yes,
easy to eliminate? Yes.
X we
First.
can subtract there.
મેડમ એક સરખા
The
છે
first
એમને
one.
સબટ્રેક્શન કરીને
Yes, yes. Anyone other?
કે તો નકર પછી મેડમ એમ કરી શકીએ ઓલું એડિશન કરવા માટે પહેલાને 3 સોરી પહેલાને 4 વડે ને બીજાને 3 વડે ગુણી નાખીએ.
Okay. But
No,
the
ma'am.
easy way is what?
સબટ્રેક્શન ઓર મેડમ
Yes,
Ma'am,
right. Yes.
2x છે તો એની આપણે સાઈન નીચે ચેન્જ કરી નાખી તો 2x કટ થઈ જાય ને.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. We just
Y
eliminate. Yes, yes, right, right. Good. We just eliminate the equation 1 by 2. You just take the two equations, subtract. So you must write the reason, what you can do. So I'm taking equation
Madam.
1. Yes.
y is equals to 3 આવે.
આપણે જોઈ
X is
લઈએ.
equal to 1.
આપણે હજી જોઈ લઈએ. I don't know what is the answer. જોઈ લીધે 3 કીધું છે તો આપણે ચેક કરી લે. So I'm taking the equation 1 minus equation number 2. Okay, this is my procedure which I want to do. So equation 1 is no change. This is 2x, 3y is equal to 11. I am removing the equation number 2. That means I can change every element sign. So just change the sign. That means I can multiply the equation 2 by minus 1. So what happened? It's a minus 2x. It is minus 4y. And it's a minus 14. Understood? Eliminate કરવું તો એની sign change કરવી પડશે. Otherwise it's not possible to eliminate two terms. So look here, the plus 2x and minus 2x cancel. Here the 3y minus 4y. It gives to a minus 5. 11 minus 14. It gives to a minus 3. So both have a minus sign. Minus minus cancel from the both sides. Y is equal to 3. This is your y. So you got the y. Then put the value of y in any equation 1 or 2. So I'm putting here from 1. My 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. You can put the y is equal to 3 in a given equation. So what happened? This is 2x. This is 3 and your y is 3. It's 11. This is 2x. 9 is equal to 11. If I am moving this 9 to here, the sign of the 9 is changed. It's 11 minus 9. You all know the 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. So you have a x is equal to 2 by 2. That is 1. So hence you got x and y both here. In the last, write down the both same way. Hence x is equal to 1 and the y is equal to 3. This is your answer. First of all, there you have always two choice. First choice is always easy. You have a no first choice. So you just multiply the both equation by same other variable and you can make the both variable are same. Then take the addition subtraction. This is your choice. The whole thing is depend on the sign. Both same variable have a different sign. So they are eliminated from one to another. Right, Lu, Divya, very good. You both done well learned. Then you can put the value of y in any equation 1 or 2. This is also your choice. After getting you have a x and y, write down the last statement x and y. This is it. Hope you clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt about the elimination method?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So moving on the next question, please look at your screen. This is third number question. So minus 9y, 4x, 20 is equal to 0, then so on. I like the x variable always on the first place. So I just change the equation. If you don't want, then we have it, it's not a force to you. But I always write the x variable on the first position. So I'm starting with the x variable. So it will be 4x minus 9y is equal to plus 20 because I'm writing the equal to side the constant. And say equation number 1. And the second equation it is 16x minus 7y is equal to 18. This is my number 2. I want to the one variable eliminate. For that I'm making
આપણે 4 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી તો 16x કટ થઈ જશે અને y is equals to 0 આવે.
Okay, very good, very good. So she tells me my procedure. I can multiply equation 1 by 4 and subtract from the equation number 2. શું કરીએ છીએ આપણે equation 1 ને 4 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ અને 2 માંથી રિમૂવ કરી દઈએ. એટલે આપણે equation 2 ની સાઇન ચેન્જ કરવી પડશે. So let's see procedure it. First of all, you can multiply the equation 1 by 4. So what happened? 4 into 4, it's a 16. X. 4 into 9, it's a 36. And 4 into 20, it's a 40. 80. And I removing the equation number 2, that means the sign of the second equation it's changed. If the positive number become negative and negative number become positive, in short, you can multiply the equation by -1. So let's what happen if the I can remove the equation number 2, the sign change. So positive 16 become negative 16x, -7 become positive 7y, and the -18 become -80. So positive 18 become negative 18. So look, here the plus 16 minus 16 cancel. 36. Yes. 36 minus 5. It gives to you minus 29y. And plus 18 minus 18 both cancel. It gives to you 0. So y is equal to 0 upon minus 20. If the numerator is 0, you always give the value is 0. So don't forget, જો અંશમાં 0 હોય તો હંમેશા આન્સર 0 જ આવે. પછી છેદની અંદર કોઈ પણ નંબર હોય ચાલે. So put the value of y in any equation. I am putting the value of y is equal to 0 in equation number 1. So from 1, one is 4x minus 9y is equal to 20. Put the y is equal to 0 here. What happened? The 4x minus 9, y is equal to 0. Is equal to 20. So 0 is multiplied by any number, it gives to you 0. So 4x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 by 4 and x is 5. So hence x and y are here. So the Lilu and Divya, very good, very good. So other student, remaining student, they are, what are you doing? You could understood or not? Kindly tell me. If you have any problem related the elimination method, please share it with me. Okay, very good. Silence always say you understand all things. So I can feel you understand all. So let's be moving on. Okay, Pascal, very good. You understood, very good.
Madam,
So okay, all done, very good.
I have a question.
Yes.
So, madam, it means that if it is for if it is 4y, if it is 4x minus 9y is equal to 20, it means that you multiply the y with 4, and then after multiply you change the sign, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Because I want to eliminate the one variable, and this is your choice, which you can make equal and opposite sign. Same coefficient and both have a different sign. So for that you can able to eliminate one variable. Okay, Lulu?
Yes, madam. And madam, under this question number 1, we have a question in number 1 that we did the previous one, that the answer is -1. X is equal to -1. So there, number 1, the first question of number 1 is.
1 second.
it's okay that you can use any number to find X and Y.
Yes, you can use any number and you are free to find the X or Y before anything. But rules is on. These are the
Guys,
rules. Okay, these are the
yes.
rules. Just make the same coefficient with a different sign. Then you are able to eliminate the one variable to another. The second rule is the most important. Okay? So you remember it.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me the answer of this question by the elimination. What is the X and Y? Your question is 4x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 5x minus 2y is equal to 7. Please tell me the answer. What is your X and Y? And which procedure you can do? First of all, you tell me which procedure you can do. Which term you can multiply by 1 or 2?
મેમ આપણે બે ઇક્વેશન ને 2 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી તો 6y કટ થઈ જશે.
બંનેને 2 થી.
આ બંને ઇક્વેશન
No, not the same variable. બંનેને same થી multiply કર તો 6 કેમ આવે? 6 આવે, right? પણ બંનેને 2 થી.
મેમ 6 આવે ને બેમાં વચ્ચે 6y.
હા પણ બંનેને 2 થી multiply.
નીચે 3 થી કરી નાખી.
Yes. Okay. Divya, right? Equation 1, it's multiplied by 2 plus equation 2, it's multiplied by 3. This is your first choice. Otherwise, you can use here equation 1 by 5 minus equation 2 by 4. This is your second choice. In the first choice, you can eliminate the y. In second choice, you can eliminate the x. So you can choose anything. You can tell me the answer. If you are not able to understand, please tell me, I can write it. Okay, Divya, say x is 6, y is 8. No, Divya, it's wrong. For this question, x is not a 6, y is not a 8.
Madam, X is 1 and Y negative 1.
Very good. Very good. Who told it? Who gave the answer?
Here. Here.
What's your name? Calvin. Who gave the answer?
Yes.
I'm Calvin. Very good, Calvin. It's very good. Right? He's absolutely right. Answer is x is 1 and y is minus 1. If you got it, then you are right. Otherwise, check your answer. And tell me in your chat box how many students got it. Okay, Lulu, good. Other student? Pascal also done. Very good. Your final answer is x is 1, y is minus 1. If you can put the given equation, you left hand side to right hand side, it's verified. X અને y ની જે વેલ્યુ મળે એને આપણે જે ઇક્વેશન આપેલા છે એમાં પુટ કરશો અને જો સમીકરણ સેટિસ્ફાઈડ થાય so your x and y is right. Put here x is equal to 1 and y is minus 1. You got the left hand side is 1 and right hand side is 7. Divya, okay, understood? क्या भूल હતી મળી ગઈ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it's a very easy elimination method. Very good, Williams. Very good. We move on the next question. The same way by the elimination method because our today's tutorial, it's all the question, it's depend on the elimination method. So move on the next question. Look at the next question. This is your question on your screen. I change the color. Yes, it is visible now. It's visible. So the look, the student of your question is 2a minus 3 by b. It's 12. Then 5a plus 7 by b is equal to 1. And I want to find the value of a and b, both unknowns. So let's start by the elimination. So don't forget, all the question is solved by the elimination. Elimination say you can just eliminate the one variable making the same coefficient with a different sign. So first of all, it's a very beautiful question. I suppose here, because the 1 upon b, it's not easy to make eliminate the two variable. So I'm supposing here, you are free to suppose anything. I'm suppose a is equal to x. When I look the a, I can put the a is equal to x and 1 upon b is equal to y. When I saw the a1 upon b, I can put in this equation 1 upon b is equal to y. So my question is, this is 2a, 3 by b is equal to 12. I apply my supposition rule. And when I have a, I can put the a is equal to x. So this is the 2x minus 3 as it is. I look the 1 upon b, it's a y. So this is 3y, then it is 12. This is say equation number 1b. So look, now the equation, it's easy to solve. It's like our x. Now same procedure I do in the equation number 2. Equation 2 is 5a plus 7 by b is equal to 1. Just change and apply our supposition rules. When you have a, put a is equal to x. So it is 5x plus 1 upon 7. So 1 upon b, it's y. So it's a 7y is equal to 1. Say equation number 2. Now look, equation 1 and 2 are easy to see and it's easy to solve. So which thing we can apply? You can apply you can eliminate any variable. So I am here. Equation, I want to eliminate the y because they both have a different sign. So I don't want to change their sign. So simply I can multiply the equation 1 and 2 both, but my aim is to eliminate the value y, variable y. So what I can do? આપણે y ને એલિમિનેટ કરવો છે તો આપણે ઇક્વેશન 1 અને 2 ને કેનાથી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું? I want to eliminate the y. So what is the procedure to eliminate the y variable? Anyone? No one. Very good. So કઈ વાંધો નહીં, અમે તો છીએ, અમે કહી દેશો. Here I can multiply equation 1. I want to eliminate the y. So I can multiply the equation 1 by 7 and take the addition, and equation 2 by 3. Equation 1 ને આપણે multiply કરશું 7 સાથે, equation 2 ને multiply કરશું 3 સાથે. So let's we start. If 7 is multiplied by 1, so what happened? I use the next slide. If 7 is multiplied by here, this is 14x or 21y, 12 into 7. $84. So write down. It's a 14x, 21y, it's 84. What happened? I can multiply the equation 1 by 7. Second equation, equation 2, it's multiplied by 3. So if I multiply the equation 2 by 3, then what happened? 3 into 5, 15, 21 and 3. 15x plus 20y and is equal to 3. Yes, good. So this is the procedure which I do. Now simply add the both variable. Look here, plus 20 minus 20 cancel. 15 plus 14. It's a 29x. 84 plus 3. It gives to us 87. Hence, x is equal to 87 upon 29. If you know the table of the 29, so it's cut
3 આવે ma'am.
Yes, right. It's 29 into 3, it's 87. So 29 is cancelled from the both side. X is equal to 3. So you have a x is equal to 3. Put any equation 1 or 2. X is equal to 3, you have, I'm putting in equation number 2. So from 2, I put the x is equal to 3 in equation number 2. And my 2 is 5x plus 7y is equal to 1. So what happened? 5 as it is, x is 3. 7y is equal to 1. It's a 15. 7y is equal to 1. I want the value of y. This 15 moving here, its sign will be changed. So the 7y as it is 1 minus 15. 1 minus 15, it gives to you 14. 7y is equal to but minus 14. So your y is minus 14 by 7. Hence y is 2 minus 2. So you got x and y. But student, you want to find the a and b, not x and y, because x and y is our supposition term. So you have a x and y, but my aim to find the a and b. Then what we can do? I just write the x and y again. You don't need to write here. X is 3 and y is minus 2. This is your answer. This is your last answer. Now moving on to supposition term. What you suppose? A is equal to x. So I supposed here a is equal to x and your x is 3. So definitely you can understood the x is a is 3 directly. What is your a? A is 3. Now what is your next supposition term? You can suppose the 1 upon b is equal to y and your y is minus 2. So simply you can say what 1 upon b is minus 2. Just take the cross multiply. This 2 is multiplied by here and this b is moving here. So the 1 upon minus 2 is equal to b. This minus 2 move here. So you got the x and y from the a and b. Hence, your a is 3 and b is 1 minus 1 by 2. So this is your answer. And it is a beautiful question. Okay, Lulu and Divya, you both understood x and y is right. But I want to find the a and b because my question is in a and b. So first of all, I'm suppose something in place of a and b. Putting this a and b in front of x and y. Make the equation easy. Solve it. You can find the value of x and y. But I don't want the x and y. I want the a and b because your question is a and b. So I replace the a and b, x and y in a and b. Your first supposition term a is equal to x and x is 3. So your a is 3. Second supposition term is 1 upon b is equal to y and your y is minus 2. For that, your 1 upon b is also got a minus 2. Change their place, cross multiply. You got the b is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and this is your answer. Now tell me how many students have a problem in this question? There are the 14 students which are participate in this class. Only 2 or 3 students tell me the answer. So have any doubts? So please tell me. Otherwise, I'm taking more examples and change the difficulty higher level. No, ma'am. Yes, Chawla. No, ma'am. That's mean you understood, yeah, not?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Understood.
Okay, you understood. Okay. So let's we move on the next examples. Okay. And that level is change. Okay. Okay, good. Very good. So the next question, please all the students write the question. This is your x by 2 plus 2 by 3y is equal to -1. And the second equation is a 3x minus 1 upon 3y is equal to -1. And I want to find x and y by the elimination method. So let's we start without wasting time. This is the last example which I can solve. Remaining you have. Yes. First of all, look your equation. Your equation is in fraction form. So it's not easy to find. It's not a elimination term to make a easy. So first of all, we can make a straight equation. We can removing denominator. So for the removing the denominator, I'm taking the cross multiplication. How? Look here. This is your first equation, x by 2. 2 by 3y is equal to -1. You can take the cross multiplication. This 3 is multiplied by x and this 2 is multiplied by here. So what happened? This is 3x. 2 into 2, it's a 4y. Whole divided by 6 is equal to -1. And this 6 is multiplied by here by the cross multiplication. So you get such equation 3x plus 4y is equal to -6 and say equation number 1. What we can do, I'm taking the cross multiplication to make a equation easy. Okay, Divya, very good. Answer is -6y and y is -3 by 4. Okay, let's check. Very good. Now the moving on the second equation. Second equation is x minus 1 upon 3 y is equal to -1. Again, I'm taking the cross multiplication here. So it will be the 3x minus y upon 3 is equal to -1. This 3 is again multiplied by here. So it gives me 3x minus y is equal to -3. Say equation number 2. So look, both equation, it's good to look. Fraction parts, it's removing. Now, which procedure we can apply to subtract the any variable? If I want the removing x variable, so what can I do? મારે x વેરિયેબલ ને રિમૂવ કરવો છે તો હું શું કરીશ? Right, very good. So I think all the students you know, I just take the subtraction 1 from 2, and if I want the removing the y variable, I can multiply the equation 2 by 4 and adding the both equation and so on. But I just subtract the one equation from 2. So these are procedure. I'm taking equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, just removing. So removing, then the second equation whose sign is changed. So look here. First equation as it is 3x plus 4y minus 6. Change the second equation sign. All the equation whose sign is changed, positive term become negative and so on. So 3x minus y is equal to minus 3. It's become minus 3x plus y is equal to plus 3. Yes, it's plus 3. So let's here the plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 4y plus y, it's the 5y. 6 minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. So your y is equal to minus 3 by 5. This is your y. Put the value of y in equation 1 or equation number 2. This is your choice to put anything in anywhere. I am putting the value of y in equation number 2. So the from 2, my 2 is 3x minus y minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3 by put here. Three x as it is, y is equal to minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 3. So the student here, it's a minus minus plus. Three by 5 minus 3. If I'm moving this in short, you can, it's easy to multiply the whole equation by 5. Yeah, taking this term by here. So change their sign. 3x as it is, minus 3 as it is, 3 by 5, it's a positive, their sign is changed. Now take the cross multiplication, LCM here. What happened? 3x uh, 6 and 5 minus 15. 3 and 5 minus 15 minus 3 upon 5. This is your cross multiplication term. Now look here. 3x, 15 minus 3, it's a minus 18 upon 5. This 18 is written like minus 6 into 3 upon 5. Look, the 3 cancel the both side. So your x is minus 6 by 5. This is your answer. So first of all, take the cross multiplication. Let's make your question very easy. Then your choice. You want to eliminate the x or y. This is your choice. Make the same coefficient with a different sign. Then eliminate, subtract, So you get the one value, put the another equation, any equation, you got the another value. After you have x and y both, your x is minus 6 by 5, your y is minus 3 by 5. So hope you clear all the equation, all the question. Have any doubt? Anyone? So the student, I'm giving you two questions and tell me their answer. Okay? So the question on your screen, solve it and tell me their answer. Yes. And 1 second. This is, you can try number 7. Tell me the answer of 7. And yes, 10. 7 and 10. Yes. The two questions for you, tell me their answer. X and Y. Start. By the elimination. 7 and 10, both, only two, not more. Please write down your answer in chat box if you're done. Yes, any student got the answer? Any student got the answer? Please try it. So the student, I'm writing the answer. Please verify with it. Your x is minus 39 upon 25. X is 3 and y is 9. And your y is 453 upon 225. Hope so. And is x is 63 by 13 and y is 36 by 30. So the student, this is your final answer. Please verify it. If you have any doubt and any solution, if you not get, then tell me. So I'm doing for you. So the student today our M is finished. We can able to find the value of x and y by the substitution method. 9 is 0, y is 3 by 2, and x is 0. No, no, student, not. Divya, you can look the 9th question. I'm not done to you. I give you the 10th and 7th. If I'm free, then solve all the question. I have no problem. But જે મેં કરાવ્યા છે તો કરવાના છે. Today I'm stop here. My aim is solve. You are able to find the value of x and y by the substitution method. Of the all student, you must clear. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow I'm starting the next method. Its name is a cross multiplication. Then the next tutorial we meet with the graph. So don't forget to take the graph in the graphical method, because graph is very important to understand the graphical methods. So not tomorrow, then the next tutorial we meet with the graph. Tomorrow I will take your next tutorial by the cross multiplication. It's a very easy. Between all four methods, this cross multiplication method is a very easy to find the unknown. Okay, it's a very easy. Today I'm stop here. If you have any query, any doubt related to substitution method, please share with me. Okay, this is your final answer. If you have any problem in this answer, so please share with me. So today I'm stop here. So be ready for the present. All the student unmute yourself and ready for the present today's tutorial. Enrollment number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Who student give their present? He or she may be leave. If you have no problem, said you can leave it your class after getting your present. After giving your present. Number 4. Number 4.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 5. Number 6.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 7. Number 8.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 9. 9 number. Okay. 10 number.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 11.
મેં નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ છે કઈક મેસેજ આવ્યો મને જો હમણાં
એને રોજ નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ હોય છે.
મેસેજ
11
આવે તો
number. Okay. 12 number. 12 number. 13.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 14.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 15.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 16.
એને નેટ ઇશ્યુ હતો.
Okay, okay. 17.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 18 numbers. 19. 20.
Present, madam.
Okay. 21.
Present.
Okay. 22.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Any student is remaining, then please you write your attendance in your chat box. Today I'm stop here. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay,
Madam.
Madin. Yes.
મદીનાનું આવી ગયું ને
Madina આવી ગયો.
હમણાં મળી ગયું જો ખેદન મેડમ ને
Okay, okay, no problem. Madina done. Have a good day. Bye-bye.